Here's a quick video for 2012 around that general area on how to change one of these. Your hood latch lever that is inside the vehicle. This guy is broke, junk, get that out of here. What you want to do is you want to get that out. It's going to be held in with the C-clip. You're going to want to take that out and make sure you look on which way this goes in, because I didn't, and I'm guessing it'll fit in like that, and it'll fit into that groove there, but that's just the challenge, is to get it back in there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a zip tie or some sort of a wire like I have, and you're going to want to fish it around, pull it out, and get it to sit into that notch. I suggest hooking up the cable first. I do recommend changing the cable, because if it has broke, you're basically going to look at breaking the new one that you just changed. So it's, just a little food for thought. Get that changed out, and I'll show you the finished product. So, after you get that installed, you install the C-clip, get the spring set in there. Basically the prongs are going up and down. So instead of, you would put it into the handle, and then that top tab will rest on that part, like I had previously said. Now you're able to just give her a pull. Hood's unlatched. And there you go. That's how you change it. For a little visual representation on how it is. Your hood latch. This is hard to do with one hand. And I replicated the pin. So basically, all you're doing is you're going to put it in there, clip down like so, and then you would grab your wire, pull this back before you slide it all the way onto the shaft, and then get it to where it'll lock into place, and then you can slide that onto the shaft the rest of the way, put your C-clip on, and you're done. I hope this video was well instructional and you were able to do this yourself. I found it hard to figure out exactly what, there's really no video on it, so I figured why not make my own.